go. Gonna open them up. There's a little. Is it just pull this way?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh. There you go. See. Nice little box.
Oh my.
Nice color. Bring a little light. Let's go see the actual color.
There you go. Just pull them from that side.
From the side.
Yeah, and then straight up.
Alright.
Take a look at that.
And then you can see the nice color.
So these.
That is the best one. That is so nice.
Nice silver. Check it out. This is translucent. Let's try them out. Looks good outside. Nice and lightweight.